Okay, so just wrapping this one up. So that is my deflection at C due to my point load at By. From there, I say that I want to find the load at By that causes the deflection at C to be 0. I do delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 plus delta 4. And we said earlier this was all delta C is equal to 0. I solve for By. Once I have that, I need to go back and find out what the deflection at B is. So my deflected shape is going to look something like this. This is C. I have 0 deflection here. I'm applying my By out here. I need to find out what this deflection is as well. And this one, again, I can use my moment area theorem. So I'm not going to go through I'm not going to show you how to do this part, but because I think the tricky part is getting By. Once you have By, you can use superposition again, but you only have to look at the first. You don't have to look at the whole thing. You can ignore what happens outside the first 3L length of the beam. Okay, so this is probably the hardest problem in the homework. So you will probably need to spend quite a bit of time on it just to wrap your head around how this stuff works. If you have any questions, please stop by and see one of us. We'll try to get that sorted out. I would stress that you should pay very close attention to how to use moment area method, and starting next week, or I guess starting even this week, how you use virtual work. Those two methods will be very important moving forward in the course. We're going to be spending a lot of time analyzing deflected shapes. Usually there'll be one method that's easier than the others. So you can always fall back on differential equation method. Differential equation method is the most tedious. Moment area is usually quite convenient if you have a location where you know the rotation. And virtual work is a little bit tedious, but it is much less tedious than differential equation method, or double integration method, sorry. So just try to get familiar with this. It'll be very useful for you on the final and the upcoming, well, I guess the second midterm, which should be coming up in a couple weeks. So again, let us know if you have any questions.